Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. Today, y'all, we're going to do the vinyl record holder as my shelf in my dollhouse project today in this video. So let's get started. Y'all know I'm excited. Let's do it. What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, we're about to do our next little dollhouse project by using that vinyl record holder, but I'm going to use it just for a shelf in my dollhouse. So I'm just going to apply this foam mounting tape to the shelf. Well, you know, it's my shelf. And then stick it to the dollhouse. Okay, so I applied the mounting tape to the shelf. So I'm going to remove the backing off and we're going to see how well it holds up, guys. Oh my God, y'all. It worked perfectly. And it looks so cute in my dollhouse. Okay, y'all, let's play around and see if it will hold an item or something. Let's go get those bowls. Oh my God, that would be so cute, the bowls, guys. Okay, y'all, before I show y'all how the bowls look, check out how cute it is with the camera. It is literally perfect size for holding the camera. And maybe like other little camera equipment or something. Y'all, that is so freaking cute. Okay. I love it, y'all. Look how perfect that is, y'all. It is holding it nicely, and I love the aesthetic that it's giving. Oh yeah, that is perfect, guys. So cute. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next project. Y'all, this is so much fun. Oh, I almost forgot. If y'all interested in this cute little vinyl record holder slash my dollhouse shelf, the information will be down below in the description box. Now I'm out. Deuces.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting it wrong.